Hello, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and we are covering some of the best products on Amazon. You guys, this is so innovative. This is top of the line, and you are going to want to pick up one for you and everyone in your family. This is an electrical, rechargeable, air purifying personal mask. What this does is basically give you an air purifier in your mask that you can take with you wherever you want to go. It is a true HEPA filter, and this is going to eliminate just the fatigue of wearing a mask all day and constantly breathing in that recycled, stale air. I know a lot of people have dealt with dryness. I've even gotten bloody nose from wearing a mask and it just drying out over time. You want to wear that mask. You want to be safe. You want to, keep your neighbors safe and be responsible, but they can be it can be an inconvenience. It can definitely, especially if you suffer from sinus issues already or, dryness, this is going to be something that allows you to breathe in fresh air all the time. It's also going to be just cleaner, safer, more sanitized air as well. This is just an amazing product. It's lightweight and you can wear it in several different positions. So you're going to be able to find one that works for you and works for whatever environment you are using it in. The battery life is incredible. It lasts for 8 to 10 hours depending on which speed of filtration you prefer. This is also going to be great because the mask and filter are washable and reusable. So this is just a really cool product, and it's going to save you a lot of that annoyance of constantly breathing in stale air. It's going to give you an added layer of protection and make you feel even more safe. And I highly encourage everyone to go out and pick one of these up. You're going to be super glad that you did.